everything which school should adopt, or anything, a step every school should take to enhance the learning experience?
That I have already communicated and shared with the delegates that being head of the institution, every head, every principal, whatever is his administrative qualities or whatever is his ability to run the school or make the school grow, first of all, he must be a good human being. Human being, one must understand the feelings of teachers, feelings of students, and feelings of parents. And adopting human approach with kindness, with cooperation, with all submissiveness, politeness. Every head can deal with various stakeholders, students and parents and all, in a more effective way if he shows and demonstrates human qualities. But practically what we find, many heads are egoistic, they are proudy, they maintain distance, they themselves create gaps because if you go to meet somebody, some head in the school, they don't meet you directly. You have to cross two, three channels before him to
Right.
meet him.
We have to start with the gate person.
Barriers are not required because whatever we teach to the students is not reflected in your routine behavior. So that should not be there.
Do you think incorporating teachers training, right, nowadays, so teachers are always going to be the teachers who teaches new things, right? But then do you think teachers are also being in a requirement to get trained and try out new things of teaching skills?
See, one who has come into the teaching profession, first of all, they must be wholeheartedly dedicate themselves, ready to dedicate themselves wholeheartedly. But if they are coming with half willingness, or they have kept one leg here, one on the other side, and whenever they get any other opportunity in any other profession, they will jump. So such teachers will not be helpful for the institution. It requires passion, dedication, and self-willingness that yes, I am teacher. So how it can be measured? That through teacher's behavior, you can assess. He will feel proud of his job, isn't it? But there will not be any inferiority complex within inside. Usually teachers do not show these things at the outer surface, but they experience inferiority quality that I am in teaching profession. I would have been somewhere else in some company or somewhere because my qualification is this. I am not suitable for this place. So for time pass they do this job. That should not be there. Those
Okay.
who are willing and 100% passionate must be inducted. And how this can be checked? While recruiting them. It is the job of the selectors that what sort of person, what sort of skillful person, which type of people you require in your school, though, so that they should have stability and stay in your school as long as they continue their job.
So even a teacher should have a good vision to be a very good teacher, then only they should be entertained and
He
allowed.
must be passionate, dedicated towards his profession, and he must be proud of his job. If he is not proud of his job, it means he is just passing his time, and whenever he gets any other opportunity, he will jump into it. So he will be uh, not an asset for the institution.
Exactly, right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your insight.